Hello, Professor Cawthorn. This is my video for week 8. This week we were working with dictionaries, and most specifically we were attempting to take the Dr. Seuss poem, Green Eggs and Ham, and find the total number of instances in which each word is used within the poem itself. As you can see here, I won't even bother running this program because I'll explain to you as I ran into a certain issue I've yet to be able to figure out, but based on your video, what I did should have essentially worked, but I'm getting well, I guess I can show you the error that I keep running into. So as I run it, I get a no such file or directory Seuss poem text, which is right here, which is what I placed the text file in which I placed the Green Eggs and Ham poem. But for whatever reason, I think it was when I was experimenting on my own with virtual environments. I might be using the wrong term, but essentially, I think it started to mess with my file system, my directory system, which is something I still need to work out, and hopefully will work out soon. But this is as my code. I almost made it identical from what you used in the video because what you used in the video worked. I just tinkered it with it a little bit to change some of the name files so it would represent the new poem that we were choosing, or you asked us to go through. But as you can see, the Seuss poem is within within even the same folder, and I'm still getting a directory issue for whatever the reason is. But yep, so this is my code for the week, for week 8, and this is some of the practice I was doing just with the some of the files or some of the websites you let us or gave us access to. I was just kind of tinkering around with the video game example and creating the dictionary within a list for video or for aliens, so that you could have different aliens with different names and different characteristics, and it's similar to what I would understand is how they would use it in a video game, but obviously a little bit less complicated and such. But and yeah, that's all the work that I had completed for week 8. Thank you.